Welcome back, everyone. In this episode, we're going to draw Alien V from Ben 10 versus the Universe. If you guys loved that movie, please leave a comment below. And anyways, Alien V is actually Vilgax mixed with the power of Alien X. And, well, to be honest, this is what the true power of the anti-trix looks like. And how could Vilgax even obtain the power of Alien X without Serena or Bellicus? I mean, he's the power of one of three. Anyways, it's best if we have no interest in that. Right now, I want to get started on drawing the ultimate anti-trix alien. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Okay, so basically, there's Vilgax's head. Now we'll just draw the tentacles sticking out of his body here. There's the tentacles here. Infinite power equals infinite tentacles. There we go. There's the shoulder pads here. Okay then. There we go. There we go. I remember the first time I saw Vilgax in battle, Alien V. Hopefully that was the last time we've seen Alien V. Even though Alien V is like definitely something Ben should not have to fight. I don't know how he could beat him using Way Big. Cheers. go. Even my dog's barking at this alien. Now we just draw the stars in his body, just like Alien X has. Let's just zoom up. Try and trace over what I just drew. There we go. Alexa, stop. There we go. Alexa, who is Vilgax?
According to Wikipedia, William Henry Gates III is an American business magnate, software developer, investor, author, and philanthropist. He is a co-founder of Microsoft Corporation, along with his late childhood friend Paul Allen. During his career at Microsoft, Gates held the positions of chairman, chief executive officer,
There we go.
president and chief software architect, while also being the largest individual shareholder until May 2014.
Let me just erase this. Alexa, next song. There we go. This is an octopus's true power. Okay, there you go. That's how you draw Alien V. Pretty awesome, huh? It's a little bit black, but that stuff is the red aura that surrounds him. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys again soon. Stegosaurus, see you later.